You have to. Maria Binu, today you got up early? Yes or no? Mathu?
No, ma'am.
No, same time, 11 o'clock. Yes. Yes, Mathu. Mathu is in this class. Mathu is in this class?
Ma'am, I am there.
Mathu's name is not there in this attendance.
Ma'am, I'm sorry, ma'am. I'll rename my.
What is your name?
Manu Nair.
Manav, yes. Manav Mathu. Okay. Manav
He
Mathu.
have written his father's name.
Okay, okay. Tanvi. So we can start today's topic about the basics, some basics ideas in geometry. So basic idea in geometry, geometry is starting from the main point, that means it is small dot. It is starting from point. What is the basic of geometry? Who is considered as father of geometry? I show the PowerPoint, you know, that day.
Euclid.
Please don't unmute together, otherwise I should mute from here. Okay, to whom I am asking? To whom I am asking, they should only answer. All will get the chances. Please don't unmute. That is compulsory because all class will get disturbed. Okay, to whom I am asking, they should only answer. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all are good children, no doubt about it. All are very good. You are very active, I know that. But don't unmute in between. You mute it. If I am asking questions, you have to answer it. Okay? Mayuk, please mute. Yes. Tanvi, please mute. Some sound is coming from where? Okay, so the basic idea of geometry will start from the point. If you want to mark any point, so first one is, yes. Who joined now?
Tanvi.
Tanvi joined now. Okay. Yes, I marked now. Except Unnimaya, I marked present for all. Unnimaya is not there. She is only. I am waiting for her to come. Okay. So a small dot, if you mark any point and you can give any letters, capital A. This is a point, B and C. These are called points. Okay. So if you start any point, any small dot will represent a point. Can you tell some examples for point, Adidev? Adidev, can you tell some examples for point? Have you seen anywhere? Yes, Adidev? Where, have you seen anywhere point?
Yes.
Yes, where you have seen?
In question.
Yes, in question mark. When you are marking the question mark, yes, it is correct.
Optional.
Yes. When you write the question mark, there will be one dot. When your full stop is there, there will be one dot. So these are all called the point. Okay.
Point.
So, yes, definition wise it is different, but a small dot will represent the point, and you can give any name for the point. What are the letters you can give? Don't write small letters. You have to write capital letters for the point. Okay. A small dot. If you don't write anything now, I will give the notes afterwards. So definition wise, you can say that an exact location in space is called the point. How will you define a point? Means you have to, definition you cannot change it. So how will you define a point? An exact location in space. How will you define a point? Means an exact location in space. Space means not up. Here, whatever you are writing on the plane, that is called the space. All these are space, not going to atmosphere, and that is different. Okay. So a small dot, or the, how will you define a point? What is the definition of a point? Yes.
Ma'am, does it is place or space?
Space.
Okay, ma'am.
Because your geometry starts from the plane, space, everything. That is the basic idea of geometry. So an exact location, you cannot change that. It is called what? How will you define a point? What is the definition of the point? An exact location in the space is called a point. And how will you read the point? Point A, B. So you can read the point as A, point B, point C. All this you can. And compass, needle of the compass is an example for a point. Needle of your dividers is an example for your point. So small dot will represent a point. According to the definition, you can say that an exact location
in space
is called a point. Okay. Is it clear? An exact location. You cannot change. How will you read the points? You can give any letters, not small letters. You have to give capital letters. Is it clear? So after point, the next definition, next basic idea in geometry is called line. So many points are there. If you are marking many points close to each other, if you are marking many points here, 1 point, 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 like that. So many points if you are marking like this, so it will form a line. Okay, this is the representation for a line, and it is having two arrows here, one at the top, one at the left, and one at the right side. Why you are representing by arrow? Can you say, Rian? Can you say why you are representing by arrow? What is the end of a number, Nasnia? What is the end of a number? So I told some questions. Now I asked some questions. What is the first counting number? You got the correct answer? Yes. Diya, Biju, what is the correct answer?
1.
1. No doubt. If anyone asking, 1 is the first counting number. Don't write it as 0. Okay. So which is the first counting number? 1. What is the last counting number? Nainika? What is the last counting number? Can you tell me? Yes. Last counting number.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, tell me.
10.
What?
10.
10
10? No. Risa?
0
No. Srihari?
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Tanvi?
10.
and there is no ending number.
Yes, there is no.
I had network issue in between the classes, so
And there is no ending number.
Yes. Oh, no
Here,
problem. No problem.
that
It will be coming and going. No problem. Recorded versions. If you want to see, you can see it. Okay. There is no end for the number. 10 is
No
not the
end.
last. No end. In negative numbers also no end. Positive numbers also no end. Because continuous, not after 1,000 also numbers are there. After 10,000 also numbers are there. No end. After crore.
every number.
Yes.
Even lakhs, millions,
Infinity.
Yes, enough. Yes, enough. Okay, all of them unmuted, so I should mute from here. Shall I mute from here? No, it won't look nice. So all of you mute by yourself. You are all good children. When you get the chance, please answer. Okay. So there is no end for the number, and the first counting number is 1, not 0. Okay. Which is the first counting number? 1, and it is not 0, and there is no end for the numbers. Is it clear? So line also, there is no end. It can definitely, you can produce both sides indefinitely. If you want to see, draw one line, you can produce up to there. Road they are constructing with a line. Railway track, all these lines they are constructing so that you can produce indefinitely to any side. Okay, there is no end for the line also. Line in space. Okay, is it clear? There is no end for the numbers. There is no end for the line. Is it clear? So how will you define a line? According to the definition, you can say that many points close to each other will form a line. Many points are there. If it is close to each other, it will form a line. Is it clear? Can anyone say the definition? Felix, can you tell me the definition?
Ma'am,
Yes.
you only give last class this much notes.
Ah, yes. Shapes and father of geometry. Today I will give complete notes. I will send because this much
Okay,
notes
ma'am.
it won't look nice. Yes, Felix, can
I
you
had
tell
a doubt that say sorry,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, yes. Yes, Felix, can you tell me?
When many dots join together is
Yes, many
is
dots
formed
means
a
what
line.
you can say many points close
Many
to each other.
points.
Yes, many points close to each other will form a
Many
line.
points
Many points.
formed
Many points.
close to
Dots
each
means it is
other.
a point. A small dot, an exact location in space. It is called the point. Many points, if it is close to each other, it will form a line. Okay. And how will you represent a line? How will you represent a line? What is the representation for the line means? This is the representation for a line with two arrow mark on both sides. You can give any two letters for a line, A, B, or you can write it as C, D. Two letters are there. This one also a line because it is both the sides it is extending. Why it is showing there is no end for the line also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, you have said that there is no more end for the line, right?
Yes.
So when we put the point in there, it will end.
No, because arrow mark, it is producing. Arrow mark. If you are writing the numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc., you will write. Because there is no end. 1, 2, 3, okay. There is end, finished. So this etc. means it is continuing. That is why line, you can, if you draw a small line here, again you can make it big. This side also you can make it big. That is why it is showing the arrow. Both sides you can produce it. Okay. So what is the representation of a line? With two arrow mark on both the sides. Is it clear? Yes. Now, after that, so two definitions. Two definitions I told you. First one is.
You send the notes today?
Yes, I will send. First I will give the notes in class. Afterwards I will send it. Okay.
Yes, this much only no, you give.
Yes, I gave
that
much only. That much only. Because first day I was not knowing about you. You were also not knowing about me. So I did not give much notes on the first day. Now I will give the notes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, line is not having any endpoint. What is the representation of a line? What is the definition of a line? And after finishing that, you cannot draw 100 centimeter line in your paper. Can you draw it?
No, ma'am.
No, because it is very big line. So that you are taking one part of that line and you are drawing in the paper. And whatever you are drawing in the paper, that is called line segment. It is only a part of the line. Okay. Whatever you are drawing, it is only a part of the line. And it is called what? It is called the line segment. What is the next definition? Next point. Line segment.
Whatever you write in paper,
yes.
that are line segment.
Yes. Now small line. You can give it. It is a part of the line. Very big line. So no need of marking the arrow here because it is having two endpoints. How many endpoints are there? Two endpoints. Line segment is only a part of the line and it is having two endpoints. Is it clear? So how will you represent a line segment? Here also you can write two letters. AB is a line segment, BC is a line segment, any name according to your wish you can write it. But when you are marking the point, you can mark only one letter. A is a point, B is a point, C is a point, but CD is a line, AB is a line, XY is a line. Is it clear? And so next definition, what is the next one? Line segment. It is only a part of the line. Is it clear? Line which is not having the end point. What is not having the end point? Line. Endpoints. Line segment is having 2 endpoints. Okay.
Line segment.
After that, it is coming. The next one is called the ray. After finishing, these are the main basics ideas in geometry. The next one is called a ray. Ray means it is having only starting point but no end. If you are marking like this, it is having only starting point, but no end point. It is called a ray. So how many endpoints a ray is having? Ray, have you seen this ray? Ray from the sun. Only
Starting point. One starting point.
Only one starting point and no
ending.
Please mute. Don't unmute all together. Krithvi, Maria. Yes, Felix, Siddhi, all unmuted. Yes. Tanvi, please mute. Any disturbance in the class? No. No. Adidev, please on your video. Yes, these are the 4 important definitions in basic geometry. And one more is there, I am not telling about that. It is called a plane. Plane means nothing but a flat surface is called a plane. Flat surface. Whatever we are writing on the board, it is a plane. We are writing on this. So whatever we are considering, then it is called a plane. A flat surface is called a plane. So can you tell me the definition, Rudra? First definition. First one, what you learn now? Adidev? Adidev, please. Yes, Rudra. Yes. What is the first definition I told you now? Today's. Leave about the geometry. Yes. Nasnia?
Line.
No, first one what we started now. Janvi?
Point.
Point. Yes, very good. Maria, how will you define a point? How will you define a point?
The point is close.
An exact yes, Isan, tell me. Isan Russell, tell me.
An exact location in space.
Yes, an exact, that is the definition for a point. Definition wise, if you are telling, you have to tell complete definition. An exact location in space is called the point. Okay. Then next one, who is that? Mayuk. What is the next? Yes, what is the next definition?
Ma'am, line.
Yes, very good. How will you define a line?
Ma'am, no ending points.
No, how will you define the line? Yes, Aditi?
Many points placed close to each other forms a line.
Yes, many, that is according to the definition. If you are asking the definition, you have to write many points close to each other will form a line. Many points close to each other will form a line. Okay. So what is the end point, Devarsh? What is the end point? Yes, now you muted. Tell me. Yes, line. Yes, Dia, I asked a question. Riyan, I asked. Navneet.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the end point of a line? What is the end point? Yes. Haira Fatima.
Line segment.
Not line. What is the end point? Yes, Janvi answered. Now, yes, tell me. Yes, Janvi. No end point. For a line, there is no end point. Okay. So it is represented by an arrow mark. That means there is no end point. Okay. Next one, Tanvin. What is the next definition?
Ma'am, line segment.
Yes, line segment. How will you define a line segment? Avantika?
A line segment is a part of a line.
Yes, part of a Line. Okay, very good. Yes, next one. Sarah, how many endpoints a line segment is having?
2.
Line segment. How many endpoints?
There is no endpoints.
Line segment. No. Yes. Riza, how many endpoints for a line segment?
Can I tell?
Yes, tell me.
It has 2 ending points.
Yes, it has 2 endpoints. Line segment, it is a part of a line. It is having 2 endpoints. Don't forget. Okay. Next one, Janika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how will you define a ray?
A ray is a part of a line which has a starting point called the initial point, but no end point.
No end point. Okay, starting point. Yes, Tanvi, how many endpoints a ray is having?
Ray is having 1 ending point.
1 endpoint. I think for all of you it is clear. Yes or no? Yes, we can write the notes now. You can copy the notes. Afterwards, I will send through WhatsApp these notes.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
we should continue.
Oh, you can continue in that only. You can
Okay,
continue.
ma'am.
Don't change it now.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
if we is completing a paper, we can write its back.
Ah, yes, you can write in the back side also. No problem. Yes. Any doubt now? Any doubt regarding this? No doubt. Yesterday she did not show you, no, about the you can start writing the definition first. Point.
Ma'am, can I continue?
Ah, yes, you can continue.
Okay, ma'am.
No need of changing the paper until I am telling you. I've shown to you this one, no?
Ma'am, we should write this as note.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I write it now?
Ah, now you can start. Already Euclid, he is the father of geometry. Yesterday I told you. Next one, introduction to geometry, basics you write. 3 branches. Yes. Anyone is having the doubt in this? Yes. Any doubt in writing this? No. You can continue in the same page. No need of changing the pages. You can write it here. Okay.
Ma'am, will you send in the WhatsApp?
Yes, I will
also?
send it through WhatsApp, but it is better to write in class itself. Those who are not able to write, only you can write through WhatsApp. In class only it is better to write because I am giving time to write it. Again, no need of copying it once again.
Ma'am, we can write in the back also.
Yes, back also you can write. First one you write, introduction, heading you write, introduction to geometry basics. Don't write all these things.
Tomorrow is Wednesday. Evening. What day is it tomorrow?
First you write the heading.
We should write that much only. A point
Point is an exact location in space. Because in textbook explanation given more. Only whatever needed, you can write it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you
only we have to write.
can you zoom little?
Yes.
Ma'am, should we need to
Anyone who is asking the doubt?
Ma'am,
Yes.
we should only write that.
Only that much. 2 sentences. First 2 sentences and you draw A, B, C points. Anyone is having doubt still?
Ma'am, should
we draw that?
Box, no need of drawing. Just you mark the points. A, B, C. Okay, for
We
convenience.
should write like this for after that sentence. Two sentences.
First two sentences. First basics of geometrical ideas you write. Then what is a point? Its definition. How will you represent it? Point A, point B. No need of marking that box and all. Just mark it. A, B, C. Now still doubt is there? Yes. Anyone is having doubt? First you write the heading. Then you write the definition and question and you write the answer there itself. Anyone is having doubt still? No.
Great, very good.
Box, no need of writing, just to mark it A,
Is your mother
mark it B,
kitchen? You
mark it
break
C,
the headset,
points.
twist it and turn it like that.
Ma'am, can you zoom a little
Zoom it
bit?
again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Is it okay?
Abhinav, what's
Okay, ma'am.
cooking in the kitchen?
My mother is cooking breakfast in the kitchen.
This one no need of writing, only this much.
Great.
What is a point?
Ma'am, should we write what is a point and a
Yes.
point?
What is a point? A point is an exact location in space.
Ma'am, and should we write that box?
Box no need, just to mark the point A, mark the point B, mark the point C. These are all points. To make beautiful, that's all. I wrote there.
What day is
Ma'am, can I, so we don't need to write the box, right?
No, no need of writing the box. Draw the box, only you write the definition.
okay? Did you get both the words?
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, instead of that arrow mark, we should write the number.
Which number?
The question answer. What
No
is the
need.
point?
No need.
We should only write.
Only you
what
write.
is-
Yes.
In the next class tomorrow, shall I wind up here today?
Who unmuted their audio? Still some sound is coming.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in that box, we don't need to write the box, but
Yes.
the A, B, C,
Yes.
there
A.
are points
Yes.
that
A.
we should write that
Yes.
triangular line shape.
No need. It is for understanding. A, point B, point C. No need of any shape.
Okay, ma'am.
How will you read this?
Ma'am, we
Yes.
have to write only first 2 points.
Yes, first 2
What is
points.
a point? A
Yes.
point.
Enough. Afterwards, you can read the textbook. All the definitions are there still. You can read the textbook.
Ma'am, we should under the a point is an exact location of in space. Under that,
No
we should
need.
write point A, point B, point C.
Not necessary. Strike it. This much you write.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Done. Okay. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There is no time to complete.
No,
more.
ma'am.
Okay, you complete it. Next, we can do point, line segment. In the next class, we can write it. Because already time.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Can you show
That point A, point B, point C, where we should write.
Down, you can write. A,
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Finish.
B, C. That's all. Mark it.
Should we write example in the side?
Yes. Side or down only you can mark it.
In that point A, point B, point C,
Point.
side
And it-
example.
It is an example.
Okay, ma'am. Show the next slide, ma'am.
Next slide, only 1 minute. You cannot complete now. Only one more minute.
Okay, ma'am. In the next class today.
Next class, I will take this. Continue. We can continue. Same notes. You can write it. Other students are joining now. B section. Okay. Bye.
Ma'am,
Bye.
can I ask it out?
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Yes. Who is asking the doubt?
See you next class.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Who is asking?